juicy boys and juicy girls. Today we are back at another unboxing video, and today we are going to unbox the Nike Lebron Next Gens.
NXXT. Alright, so we're here again for another unboxing. And I'm with my youngest son Drake again. And this is his shoes. Brand new shoes. It's an advanced birthday gift for Drake, right?
Yes.
So actually, Drake is now, what do you call that? Drake is starting to like rubber shoes, just like me, his dad, you know. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, no more drama. Let's start with the unboxing. So this is your what? Your second or third rubber shoes, right?
Yes.
First, he had the Jordan separates. Second would be the Lamelo slimes or the Lamelo or the Puma MB 2.0, right? And now for his third rubber shoes or third basketball shoes, it's the LeBron 20s. Yeah, look at that. Awesome shoes right here with the orange and blue colorway. So for this style, it's kind of unique because alternate shoelaces, alternate colorways. Actually, you have the same shoe size. It's a size 10. And but for his Lamelo, he took the size 10.5 because he's what do you call that? Wide footer.
Wide footer.
But for the LeBrons, he chose to get, or if I may say, I choose to get size 10. When this LeBron 20s drop in Nike app, they only have, or the available left was size 10, so we took it. So yeah, let's talk about the shoes. Or want to talk about the shoes, right?
Yes.
Can you say about the traction?
Well, I haven't tested it out yet.
But if you can see, how about the texture?
It's translucent.
Translucent, but with the materials, it's kind of durable, I can say, because it's not that soft.
That's also a map of Ohio.
Oh yeah, nice. So based from Drake's research, it's a map of where LeBron came from, Ohio. He likes to watch Soul Drop. That's why he's getting this infos about these shoes from there, and anything that interests him about the shoes that's coming out. So yeah, he's a fan of Soul Drop. So it has a air zoom unit and midsole, and since it's a LeBron 20s, still it has this double swoosh thing. Compared to the normal LeBrons,
It's like a high top version.
yeah, no, I think for me it's more of a mid top. What I can say here about the traction, I think this will really grip, as you can see. It's really grippy, and with the flex, I think it's very flexible. About here, the materials on the upper or the toe box, it's pretty soft. It's made out of mesh, I think. Oh no, it's not a mesh, but you know, what's the material used here?
Not really.
But it's for me, I think it's very breathable.
And it's also very wide here in the forefoot.
So it's for wide footers.
I think so. Since it's kind of wide.
But when I tried this on, for me it's a snug fit. But the thing is, I think it's much more, the size much more longer for a size 10. For me, that's for me. But it goes for different preferences. Depends on your feet. But for me, it's kind of long. But it is fine. It will not give me some problems when playing or using this on court. So yeah, I think this shoes is pretty damn good, and it looks good. Looks
And
great.
it also has the double Nike sign on the right side.
Yeah, the double swoosh thing. For the tech specs, I think it has the tech specs here. There you go. So it says that yeah, there's this air zoom unit located at the heel and the forefoot. Also with the traction, as we mentioned, I think this will be a grippy sole because of the multi-directional outsole traction. Has TPU support, heel support here. So it has this padding inside. I tried wearing this and it feels comfy.
This is the one you wear.
Yeah, the orange one, only the right foot. I tried it. But yeah, I also like this. I also like this kicks, and I think it will be a good performer basketball shoes. So let's take a look on the tongue. It says Nike, LeBron James.
LBJ.
Yeah, and it has this like cute designs on the tongue or patterns. Inside it's saying
Next gen.
NXXT or
With the LeBron James.
LeBron
sign.
20s. Here at the back, the double X, it says 20. How about on the orange one? It's the same. Also with the tongue, LBJ with some pink accents, right? Actually, what surprised me about this shoe is it's very lightweight, right? It's very lightweight. But for the cushion, it's not the top tier cushion, but feels good, especially for balling. Have you tried this? Have you tried wearing these shoes?
Yes, actually.
So, what can you say about the shoes? About your shoes, new shoes?
It felt comfortable actually, and it felt pretty light.
How would you compare it to your Lamelo Slimes?
Well, it's like much more wide, much more,
Much more room
yes,
here at the side.
at the forefoot.
The forefoot. This has much more room.
Not really. So what I mean is like, the lamellas aren't really for wide footed.
Yeah.
The lamellas are not for wide footed.
For the Lamelos, it's much more snug. Yes, a snug fit.
So it makes it feel much more better on the forefoot.
But actually, this foot, it's not that really wide. It's it's just that you see, it's kind of chubby, man. It's okay. You have the same size and it's just 10 years old. Imagine that. Already size 10. But yeah, I think this is going to be a good fit for him.
And you?
Let's see. Will you let me borrow this?
Yeah.
Playing ball?
You bought it for me?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
So, what else? What else are we gonna say? There's this like a hologram thing on the swoosh, on the black swoosh, which adds coolness to the shoes.
It also has this X on the bottom.
On the inside here, it has this suede material, so it adds to the coolness of the shoe. But for me, how would you rate this from 1 to 10?
I'll be a solid 9.5.
Wow, 9.5. For me, I'll give it a 9. 9 out of 10. Because it's light and it has protection, has padding. I think it's really a good basketball or performance shoes. And with the materials, it's okay. Not on the top tier, but yeah. What's the rating again? 9? Right? Did I give 9?
Yes.
9.
You gave it 9.
9 out of 10 for me. Okay. So are you ready to rock this kicks?
Yes.
This LeBron's?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So play hard, practice more, right? So yeah, I believe that's it. That's a wrap. So cop this LeBron NXXT or next gens as they call it. What's the price for this? 8,000 what?
8,895.
8,895 pesos. Plus 400 plus on the COD fee. I think that's pretty okay. Let's say plus 500 compared to the resellers, right? So adding 1,000 more. Alright. So again, thank you for watching our vlog together with my son Drake, youngest son Drake, who's doing some unboxing shoes as well. So we gotta train them young, especially also in vlogging. And yeah, starting to also like collecting shoes. But, let's see.
Stay tuned for more unboxing videos.
Yeah, thank you for watching. And if you like this content, like we're sometimes family events, travel vlog with friends, and also unboxing videos of shoes or anything that we like, which we can share. Like for me, I like collecting like toys and everything and shoes, but not that hardcore. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, right? So we will have this kind of videos more and more and more. And yeah, sorry if I'm uploading a little bit late, not a little bit late, far too late, but we'll try to catch up. It's just that having a busy schedule, but for fun and for documentation. If you like watching our videos, like, share, and subscribe. What? Yeah, the hologram. Peace!
Peace. Bye, juicy boys and juicy girls.
See you again next time. We out.
Bye.